Welcome back to the Auto Vault. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E, the electric SUV that keeps the Mustang spirit alive while pushing the boundaries of performance and technology. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Mach-E stays true to its bold and aggressive look, with a sleek front grille, sharp LED headlights, and the signature tri-bar taillights that instantly remind you of its Mustang roots. The sloping roofline gives it that coupe-like silhouette, while new wheel designs and vibrant color options, like the eye-catching vapor blue and carbonized gray, add a fresh, modern feel. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, the 2025 Mach-E offers a range of powertrains. The base model comes with a single-motor rear-wheel drive setup, delivering around 290 horsepower. But if you're craving more excitement, the dual-motor all-wheel drive versions crank it up to 480 horsepower in the GT Performance Edition, rocketing from 0 to 60 in just about 3.5 seconds. Ford has also improved the battery technology, pushing the range to an impressive 320 miles on a full charge, depending on the trim. Inside, the cabin blends high-tech with classic Mustang cues. The massive 15.5-inch portrait touchscreen remains the centerpiece, running Ford's latest Sync 4A system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster keeps all your vital info in clear view. Premium materials, like optional leather upholstery and soft-touch surfaces, give the interior an upscale feel, while the panoramic fixed-glass roof adds to the sense of space and openness. The Mach-E also steps up its tech game with Blue Cruise 1.3, Ford's advanced hands-free driving system that works on thousands of miles of pre-mapped highways. It now includes improved lane changes and better responsiveness. There's also an enhanced surround view camera system, making parking and maneuvering a breeze. When it comes to practicality, the Mach-E doesn't disappoint. You get 29 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, expanding to 60 cubic feet with the seats folded down. Plus, the front trunk, or frunk, offers an extra 4.7 cubic feet of storage, perfect for charging cables or small gear. Charging is faster than ever, with DC fast charging adding up to 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Ford's extensive Blue Oval Charge network also means you'll have access to over 100,000 charging points across North America. The 2025 Mustang Mach-E combines thrilling performance, cutting-edge technology, and Mustang DNA in an electric package. Whether you're a muscle car fan looking to go electric or someone seeking a stylish and powerful SUV, the Mach-E is ready to impress. That's a wrap for today's feature on the Auto Vault. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the latest and greatest in the car world. See you in the next one.